This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. PepsiCo is a multinational company that makes food and beverages. It markets and distributes snack foods, among others. The company was formed in a merger between Frito-Lay and Pepsi-Cola. Over the years, it has expanded its operation with the acquisition of other brands such as Tropicana, Gatorade, and Quaker Oats. In addition, it is considered to be among the best in the production of snacks, beverages, and foods. It employs more than 285,000 workers all over the world. Moreover, it has received various awards for participation in business development. It is also quite important to note that it generates over $60 billion annually. This paper will explore PepsiCo, its background, problems, advantages, and disadvantages. Background. This company began as Pepsi back in the 1890s when its recipe was first made. This development was made by Caleb Bradham and New Bern. In 1898, it was named Pepsi-Cola and then registered in 1902. Later on, in 1919, it was incorporated in Delaware. Ownership of the business changed hands between 1920 and 1940. Further expansions in the 1960s led to the merger with Fritos in 1965. This changed its name to PepsiCo. The company has acquired several companies during this period. These include Yum, Tropicana, and Gatorade, among others. Discussion. PepsiCo employs the strategy of acquisition to its advantage. In addition, the company has expanded its lines of operations with involvement in food snacks, beverages, foods, as well as soft drinks. This gives them the ability to serve a wider range of customers and hence improve profitability. This is quite evident in their recent revenue results, which surpassed that of Coca-Cola. PepsiCo is now considered as one of the largest food industries in the globe. Advantages. The company has instituted several activities aimed at giving back to society. These are community development initiatives such as PepsiCo Foundation, among others. The foundation funds several initiatives. These include disaster response, associate programs, and grants. Others include funding of education, provision of safe water, and community empowerment. Further developments include environmental awareness. PepsiCo values environmental sustainability. In this regard, it has initiated projects which include the preservation of water resources, minimization of land pollution, and reduction of carbon footprint, as well as responsible usage of natural resources. Disadvantages. The company receives criticism over its environmental conservation plan. This is mainly because of the plastic bottles used in packaging their products. Further improvement on this is required for the justification of claims. Moreover, management strategies have raised concern over its reaction to criticism on health and environmental issues. Conclusion. PepsiCo is a multinational company that deals in snack food manufacturing and beverages, among others. It also markets and distributes these products. The company began as Pepsi back in the 1890s when its recipe was first made. The founders of this recipe were Caleb Bradham and New Bern. Further expansions in the 1960s led to a merger with Fritos in 1965. The company has acquired several companies during this period. These include Yum, Tropicana, and Gatorade, among others. In essence, PepsiCo employs acquisitions to its advantage. The company funds initiatives such as education provision of safe water and empowerment of community. However, it also receives criticism over actions in environmental awareness. If you want to find more works like this essay on Pepsi Company advantages and disadvantages, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.